Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm still working my way through the US top 40, and this evening I'm looking at number 21, which is Girls by the Kid Laroi. I guess you say Laroi, L-A-R-O-I. It's got to be Laroi, right? It's groovy. The song's in G minor. Fall in love for no reason. Fall in. Fall in love for no reason. B flat, E flat, fall in. D7. She turned to me and then she said A. Chorus. Girls just wanna dance. A. Girls just wanna have. Move that over. Fun. I don't know your plans. A. I just wanna get some. Girls want a summer with the friends. Wanna do it to the X and then get the job done. G minor 7 to F. That's all we're using so far. You can play G minor 7 like this, or like this with the F on top. Down to F. Get some. Girls want a summer with their friends. Wanna do it to their X and then get the job done. Then we go to E flat. On Ultimate Guitar, the first one that pops up on Google, it says E flat 7. I don't hear the dominant 7 there. If you play the 7, I think it sounds wrong. So girls just want to dance, and then D7 is correct. Girls just want to have fun. They just want to have, and then we got the verse. Fuck your ex, I'm the man now. G minor again. Think I feel bad, he was fanned out. G minor, do what you like. You've been too nice, you didn't do right. That's too bad now. G minor again. I see that you worked all night, you're trying to cash out. You and your friends are trying to lash out. E flat. And I'm not the only one to tell them stand down. D7. It's their world and they just wanna A. Chorus. Here we go. Girls just wanna dance. A. Girls just wanna have fun. I don't know your plans. Hey, I just wanna get some. Girls just want a summer with the friends. Wanna do it to the X and get the job done. Girls just wanna dance. E flat in the bass there. D7. Girls just wanna have. Verse 2. Now if somebody trying to get done for real, A. Watch somebody get done for real, A. Cause baby, you're a 10 and the one for real. You ran into some lames, but I'm for real. You worked all night, you're trying to cash out. You and your friends trying to lash out. And I'm the one to tell them, stand down, it's their world. And they just wanna, A. Going into the chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4. Girls just wanna dance. Girls just wanna have some fun. I don't know your plans. A. I just wanna get some. Girls with a summer with the friends. Wanna do it to X and get the job done. Girls just wanna dance. Girls just wanna have fun. Okay, we're going to the bridge. So far we've used G minor 7, F, E flat, D7, which is a nice segue back to the G minor because it's the 5. We're going to do the bridge. You can do what you want, when you want. G minor and F. You can do what you want, E flat 7. I can give you the night that you want. What you want. G minor want, B flat, want, E flat 7. Don't play the 7, just E flat, side by side. I'ma hit it in the morning. Excuse me? I'ma hit it in the morning, D7, side by side. You go and get it how you want it, cause A. Girls just wanna dance, Girls just wanna have some fun. I don't know your plans. I just wanna get some. Girls want to sum with friends. Want to do it with the X and get the job done. Girls just want to dance. E flat to D7. With a flat 9 that time to spice it up. Or even, what's that? Sharp 5, sharp 9 or D7 old? Girls just want to dance. Girls just want to have some fun. Girls all in the pants. Wearing pants, no pants. Making up the words now. Making all the words, make them up. I don't know your plans. Girls just want to dance. Girls just want to have some fun. Outro. B flat. E flat. That's the whole song. So thanks for tuning in. That was a song by Kid Laroi called Girls. It was number 21 in the US Top 40. And next up, it's going to be number 22, which is Houdini by Eminem. I like Eminem. Stay tuned for that one, because I'm going to do it now. And it's going to be live on the channel. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.